Hello student. Next remark. First, here column space of A, null space of A are different subspaces because A is not a square matrix. They do not have a zero vector in common. Also, any vector does not belongs to both the spaces. Next remark. If an n-by-n matrix A is invertible, then column space of A span Rn. So, column space of A equal to span R3, R3 Rn. Since A is invertible, A into x equal to 0 has a trivial solution. Means determinant of A is not equal to 0, then A into x equal to 0 has a trivial solution. A is invertible, that is determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore, null space of A equal to singleton 0. Next example, find a non-zero vector in null space of A and a non-zero vector in column space of A, where A is 4 by 2 matrix whose entries are 2, minus 6, minus 1, 3, minus 4, 12, 3, minus 9. For column space of A, any column 2, minus 1, minus 4, 3 or minus 6, 3, 12, minus 9 is in column space of A. Column space of A. We can have many combination of these two vectors to have a vector in column space of A. We can have any vector in combination of these two vectors. Any vector, not any, many vector combination of these two vector these two vectors. Which vector? These two vectors to have a vector in column space of A. To have a vectors in column space of A. Now to find a non-zero vector in column space of A. Now to find a non-zero vector in null space of A. We know that null space of A is the set of x such that A into x equal to 0, where A is n-by-n matrix and x belongs to Rn. A equal to 2, minus 6, minus 1, 3, minus 4, 12, 3, minus 9. Means A into x equal to 0. Now consider augmented matrix. A augmented O. O is nothing but the column vector of zero vectors, means null vector. A is 2, minus 6, minus 1, 3, minus 4, 12, 3, minus 9, join 0, column 0, 0, 0. Now convert it into row echelon form by applying suitable row operations. First row operation, to convert this tree entry into 0, 2R2 plus R1, R3 plus 2R1, 2R4 minus 3R1. First row as it is, 2, minus 6, 0, and next 3 rows changes into 0, row 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 by applying these 3 row operations on second row, third row and fourth row. Now here you can see that pivot position occurs in only in the first row, and in second column there is no pivot entry, so we put free variable x2. So put x2 equal to t, and equation become 2x1 minus 6x2 equal to 0. So x1 equal to 3x2 and x2 is t. Therefore x equal to x1 x2, where x1 is 3t and x2 is t. Take t common, we get 3 1. So 3 1 is a non-zero vector in null space of A. 3 1 is a non-zero vector in null space of A. Next point, linearly independent sets and bases. Just a minute. Definition. First, recall that we have defined the linear independence in the special vector space Rn in same first. Which subject? In matrix algebra. This definition is now generalized to any vector space V. Here the vectors are not n tuples, so we cannot in general study the system of homogeneous equations in the matrix form A into x equal to 0. We have to study it from the definition itself of linear dependence. First definition: an index set of vectors v1, v2 and so on vp of v is said to be linearly independent if the vector equation c1 v1 plus c2 v2 plus and so on plus cp vp equal to 0 has only the trivial solution c1 equal to c2 equal to and so on equal to cp equal to 0. All scalars are 0. And if it has a non-trivial solution, means other than 0 solution, then the relation c1 v1 plus c2 v2 plus and so on plus cp vp equal to 0 is called a linearly dependent. That is, not all c1 c2 and so on cp are 0. That is, at least one of the scalar is not equal to 0. Next theorem. This theorem we have studied in the previous semester. An index set v1, v2 and so on vp of two or more vectors with v1 is not equal to 0 is linearly dependent if and only if some vi, I is greater than 1, is a linear combination of the vectors v1, v2 and so on vi minus 1. Next example, this set v1, v2, v3 where v1 equal to 0 to minus 1, v2 equal to 2 to 0, v3 equal to 6, 16 minus 5 is linearly dependent. We have solved this example in two ways. First, we write c1 v1 plus c2 v2 plus c3 v3 equal to 0. And another result, we know that any vector is in the linear combination of other vectors, then these two vectors are linearly dependent. First, we have v1 equal to 0 to minus 1, v2 equal to 2 to 0, v3 equal to 6, 16 minus 5. Now consider c1 v1 plus c2 v2 plus c3 v3 equal to 0. C1, V1 is 0 to minus 1 plus C2, 2 to 0 plus C3 into V3 is 6, 16 minus 5 equal to 0. Means we get three equations, 2C2 plus 6C3, 2C1 plus 2C2 plus 16C3 minus C1 minus 5C3 equal to 0, which implies 2C2 plus 6C3 equal to 0, 2C1 plus 2C2 plus 16C3 equal to 0, minus C1 minus 5C3 equal to 0. Now consider augmented matrix A augmented O, where A equal to nothing but the coefficient of C1, C2, C3, means coefficient matrix 0 to 6, 2 to 16, minus 1, 0, minus 5, 0 to 6, 2 to 16, minus 1, 0, minus 5, join 0 column. Now convert it into row echelon form. Just a minute. First, exchange second and first row. So we get 2 to 16, 0, 0 to 6, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 5, 0 as it is. Next row operation, 2R3 plus R1. We get first two row as it is, 2 to 16, 0, 0 to 6, 0, and third row become 0 to 6, 0. Next row operation, R3 minus R2. We get first two row as it is, only changes in take place, third row 2 to 16, 0, 0 to 6, 0, and third row is 0 by applying this row operation. Here you can see that pivot position occurs in only two rows and two columns. In third column there is no pivot position, so put third variable as a free variable. Means given system is consistent. Consistent means it has a solution. 2C1 plus 2C2 plus 16C3 equal to 0. 2C2 plus 6C3 equal to 0. And C3 is a free variable. Put T, free variable. Therefore, here no need of calculate C1, C2, C3. Only we have know about this given system is consistent or inconsistent. Therefore, given system, which system? System 1 is consistent, means it has a solution. That is, it has a solution. C1, C2, C3 exist, and not all 0. Not all 0 means V1, V2, V3 is a linearly dependent set. That is, set V1, V2, V3 is linearly dependent. Also, alternate solution of this example is by using the result of linearly dependent. First write V3 equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2. V3 is 6, 16 minus 5. This is the another solution of above example. C1 V1 is 0 to minus 1 plus C2 V2 is 2 to 0. Now calculate C1 C2. If we get value of C1 C2, then we can say that V3 is a linear combination of V1 and V2. That means the set V1 V2 V3 is linearly dependent, because any vector is in the linear combination of other vectors, then that set of the vectors are nothing but the linearly dependent. Now get 2c1 plus 2c2 minus c1. (2c2) equal to 6, 2c1 plus 2c2 equal to 16 minus c1 equal to minus 5, which implies c1 equal to 5, c2 equal to 3. Now put in this, if we get 16, then the values of c1, c2 are the correct. 2c1 plus 2c2 equal to 2, 5 plus 2, 3. Means here we get c1 equal to 5, c2 equal to 3. Therefore, v3 equal to 5v1 plus 3v2, which implies v3 is in the linear combination of v1 and v2. Therefore, the set v1, v2, v3 is linearly dependent. Next example for linearly independent. The vectors 5, 2, 10, minus 3 in R2 are linearly independent. First let v1 equal to 5, 2, v2 equal to 10, minus 3. Now consider c1 v1 plus c2 v2 equal to 0. c1 v1 is 5, 2 plus c2 v2 is 10 minus 3 equal to 0. 5 c1 plus 10 c2 equal to 0. 2 c1 minus 3 c2 equal to 0. First write coefficient matrix A equal to 5, 10, 2 minus 3. X equal to c1, c2 and O equal to 0, 0. Consider system A into X equal to 0, homogeneous system where A is 5, 10, 2 minus 3, X is c1, c2, O is 0, 0. Now consider augmented matrix A augmented O. So we get 5, 10, 2 minus 3, augmented 0 column. Now convert it into row echelon form by applying suitable row operations. First row operation 5R2 minus 2R1. First row as it is. Second row become 0 minus 35, 0. Now convert it into equations. 5c1 plus 10c2 equal to 0 minus 35c2 equal to 0, which implies c2 equal to 0. c2 equal to 0, put in this equation, we get 5c1 plus 10 into 0 equal to 0, which implies 5c1 equal to 0, means c1 equal to 0. Here we get c1 equal to 0, c2 equal to 0. Therefore, the set v1, v2, which is equal to 5 to 10 minus 3 in R2 is linearly independent. Here we stop.